Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the car to ACC or on so the infotainment is active. This lets the system scan. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable because the head unit can only pair with visible devices. Make sure you have any required PIN codes ready. Many Qashqai units use simple codes like 0000. You're initiating a connection now, not later. So follow each step promptly to avoid timeouts or repeated scans that confuse the system. You now tap Menu, then Settings, and choose Bluetooth on the Nissan display. This navigates to the phone list. Next, select Add Phone or Pair New Device so the head unit starts searching. The car looks for nearby discoverable devices. When your phone shows the vehicle name, select it, then confirm the PIN that appears on both screens so they match. Doing this prevents accidental pairing with other devices. Make sure the PIN matches exactly, then approve on both phone and car to continue. You finish by granting permissions to sync contacts and call history. This unlocks hands-free calling and name display. Once paired, test a call and audio playback to confirm both phone and car route media correctly. If pairing fails, first reboot your phone and toggle Bluetooth, then remove old Nissan entries from your phone and try again. This clears conflicts. Finally, if problems persist, check the infotainment firmware. Updating via dealer or USB often resolves stubborn Bluetooth bugs and improves compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.